In this tutorial, we'll see how to do a simple CSS reset.
You can see that it actually already has some margin, right? So if I click on computed here, you can see its so-called box model. And so you can see here on the outer side, you can see it has margin, and we did not add that margin ourselves. It's actually the browser that added that margin, right? And we don't want that margin. We want to start from a clean slate, right? So we're gonna have a reset that's gonna remove a lot of that default styling that we don't want, right? Not just for paragraph elements, but also H1 elements and div elements, right? So we can select all elements with the asterisk, and then we can simply say remove that margin, right? Margin 0. And we also want to remove any padding. And the last thing we'll add here is box sizing. We're gonna set it to border box. And this is actually a very difficult property, box sizing. It's the most difficult one in my opinion in CSS. But basically what this comes down to is that if you set the height or width of an element, is the padding and the border size, are they included in that height or width? And with this, the answer is yes. In the default, if you have padding or a border, those sizes are not included when you set a width or height, and that makes it confusing. Okay, but don't worry if you don't understand this. This is very advanced.
By the way, if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Also, check out my courses on CSS and JavaScript if you want to take those skills to an advanced level. Because in there, we will build some beautiful real-world projects from scratch so you can see how everything fits together and really master CSS or JavaScript. And I will also release other courses soon like React and Node.js. So if you want to be notified, then make sure you are subscribed to the email newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.